just what is your opinion on doing seasonal based versus all year long? Do you think one produces better results, or should owners who are watching today consider doing both?
I think doing both. Okay, now I put a cough drop in, so
Sorry.
It's okay. I've done Christmas ones. I've done 4th of July ones. I think the only thing that limits us from doing them more often is I don't have that much time to spend on it. I would do more, like Christmas ones. Okay, so then you have to be politically correct. I wanted to put up some Christmas stuff in the laundromat again this year. I've talked to my managers and it's like, because you guys are going to be the ones that have to dust around it and put it up. I'm not putting it up. Well, we've had people complain about, oh, you celebrate Christmas, you don't celebrate this, you don't celebrate that. So I'm like, okay, fine. I don't even have any Christmas decorations up this year. So it made me rethink the whole, okay, what holidays do we promote? So maybe next year I'll have a big turkey on the roof or something for Thanksgiving. I don't know. But I think having a good steady year-round promotion and something that you change it up, so it's not always, it's always the same silly thing. Change it up a little bit, have something special just for the holiday season or for Thanksgiving or for 4th of July or Easter, hide Easter eggs around or something, I don't know. But I think it's good to always change it up because you're always getting people's attention that way. If it's always the same old thing, then it's just kind of boring. You're not changing up anything. Like I said, I'm not very creative. So I have to get ideas from other people and, input from my staff. And I just think it's a good idea to just mix it up. But always have something going on the whole year. You don't want to make people wait for you to have a sale or a promotion or something. Always try to be in the news and do something or another. That's extremely vague, I know. Sorry.
No, it's good. So I had a question. Do you any opinion on seasonal based versus all year? Do both?
Me?
No, sorry.
I mean, is this a question for me? Sorry. Listen, there are seasons all around the year. So I feel it is all year long. When we're doing promotions, they are definitely all year long. We definitely build them around the seasons, but that's essentially all year long. I mean, there's a drop off maybe somewhere in August, somewhere in March. There's no holiday, but we're sending those promotions out all year long. And then, when there's a season, when there's something, an occasion, essentially, a holiday, we'll mention it. One thing that we do with email marketing that I thought was useful is to provide value in the campaign as well, especially if it's an email campaign. So text messaging campaign, probably you can't say too much. You're limited to that text message that you're sending out. But with an email campaign, where's the value? In addition to the coupon, which you're hoping that they utilize, that's the call to action. Why would they not unsubscribe, basically, from your email campaign? Because that's the loss. That's where you essentially lost the battle, is if they unsubscribe. You want them to continue to get those messages. At some point, hopefully, one of them will catch on. And if nothing else, nothing catches on, if no coupon actually works, it's okay, because we're establishing some brand validation, brand equity with that customer. At some point, if they make the decision to go with a laundry service, hopefully they'll think of us. So by value, I mean a blog post that appeals to them, something that a tip maybe on laundry, maybe even outside of the laundry world. We tend to focus on laundry related topics. How does dry cleaning work? What do we use in our dry cleaning solutions? Something could be general to the industry. Maybe how to wash white linens so that they come out bright. Maybe a blog post on that. So we're posting blogs on a regular basis, and we'll add that blog post into the email campaign.
So content along with the marketing, which is great.
Correct.